Hi guys, today we are going to have a little bit of a closer look at the Duclus light box. Very interesting light box, very versatile, has a lot of options. We can make images from the top, side, front, almost everywhere. We have a lot of backdrops, really nice ring light illumination. Comes even with a diffuser close. So I'm going to take it out of the box and show you what we get and how we can use it. And so here we have more specs. You can see it's dimmable, has high brightness, no strobe effect, has high color rendering index of 95, which is super high. So we can expect a really nice color. We have the different shooting angles, backdrops, foldable and transportable. And if you need all of the specs, we have them here. And the model type is DU5032U. And here's what we get in the box. It comes with this nice storage bag. And it's not just a simple bag, we have two nice handles. And so here we have the full content. It comes also with a short instructions manual which describes everything in detail. But it's actually not very difficult to set it up and use it. So we open this thing here and pull the top up. And then we turn it to the side and pull down the back. And then we have already this stable box here, just opens in a few seconds. And the front we can keep open or close it or have it half open. And in the back we have the lighting, comes totally pre-assembled, and we have this remote control here. So we just connect it to any USB-A power outlet. And so we turn it on here and we can adjust then the brightness in these 10 different levels. And so you can see the ring light on top. And we have two different diffuser towels, one with the ring opening and one without the opening. So depending on where you're shooting from, you can apply this one or the one without the hole. And so we can secure it here on top with this Velcro strap. And then we can choose one of these nice colors here as a background. And so I'm going here with this off-white PVC, and we can secure it here nicely in the back, as you can see. And so we flip it around and the box is ready for the photo shooting. So I'm securing here also the front lid and open just a small opening. And so you can see there's really not much shade. Nice even illumination here. Or watch this nice cup here. Even though it's overhanging, there's absolutely no shade to see. Really nice. And so I can easily shoot also from the top. Or we can flip it to the side to have the illumination from the side. Of course, then we remove the backdrop and put it other way around. So it's super flexible for any kind of illumination which you need. And the different brightening setting help a lot. Of course, the camera is now automatically adjusting to the different brightness, but you can see there's huge difference, huge range of different brightness. So it's definitely a really nice photo shooting box, very versatile, sturdy build, doesn't get much better than that. And so I can give you full recommendation, so you can buy it directly from Amazon, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.